Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to clean your headlights, or restore them rather. This is a Headlight Restore Rust-Oleum Wipe New. Just a quick little product review I just wanted to do. So inside the box you get a pair of gloves, you get a microfiber towel. This is the actual product. This is the Wipe New pad inside here, which is sealed. Don't open that just yet. And then you get this little green and gray sided polishing pad. So the first step is actually to use this pad. You start with the green side first, and you just have to get it wet with a little bit of water, just like that, and just kind of go in circular motion here just to get rid of some of this haze. You can see that that stuff is coming off already. You can put some protective tape over the paint. You just don't want to rub this because it is kind of like an abrasive. Kind of helps if you use one of your fingers kind of as a guide through here on the edge to make sure that you don't rub the paint with this. And I suggest you do this at least for a few minutes. And then we can flip over to the gray side. It's kind of a grayish blue. Do the same thing. Of course, a finer stage of sanding or buffing this. And again, you want to spend a little bit of time with the gray side of this pad as well, at least a few minutes. And then you can buff this dry with the included microfiber towel. Now keep in mind, before we open this, you're also going to want to prep the other side. So I'm going to go do the other one here as well and get that ready. Okay, for the last step, put the gloves on, and then you're going to tear this packet open. And this is the applicator pad, and make sure you don't breathe this in. Make sure you're in a well ventilated area. Now you don't have much time, but it says just wipe it across one time. So we're just going to wipe that across the whole lens. And this has got some polymers in there that will bond to that headlight. Now I missed a little area here. I'm just going to go back over that real quick. And up here. And you're done. Of course, I also went and did the other light as well since I had that prepped. Have to say, I'm pretty impressed. The Rust-Oleum Wipe New. I've used several different headlight restore kits in the past. Pull the camera around here and show you a close-up of how that came out. I would give this a thumbs up for sure. Just follow the instructions included. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick that up as well. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well if you did. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.